Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java class method. So let's get started. Okay. So here we are creating a method by the name my method. Okay, and trying to print hello world. Okay. This is very simple way like how we create a method. Okay, my methods printed text the action when it is called. In this example you can see when we will call this method it will print this text hello world. Okay, to call a method write the method name followed by the parenthesis and a semicolon, like in how we will call a main method. We inside main method we will write the method name, parenthesis and semicolon. Like this we have called that method and that method will print hello world. Okay, now static versus public. You often see Java program have either static or public attribute and methods. In the example above we have created static method, which means that it can be accessed without creating an object of the class. Unlike public, you can only access by the object. Okay, so they have demonstrated. Let's try this. So this main class we have, then one we have static void and this my static method. Okay, and this will print. Okay, like we will call this method by its name like here, and this line will print. Okay, in main method we are calling by this because static word is given. Now when we use public, void this public method. Okay, now to access this we have to create a object. Okay, so class name is main here, then object name we have given a new name, and then we have used this main. Okay, like this we create an object, and using this object we will call the method. So object dot method name we will put, and then this line will print. Okay, so first line printed, second line. If we do one thing, let's and try to copy this thing and try to paste. Now it should give error because it can't be directly called because static word is not there. Non-static method my public can't be referred for a like this. Okay, got it? So this will not work. So and these keywords called modifiers. Okay, static public. Okay, now here we have a main method under which we have one class of public type, two classes of public type, one for this and then other one has one parameter maximum speed. So how you will call? First we will create the object by the object name dot full class. There is no parameter, we have not given any parameter. For second we have given parameter because int type parameter it was asking. Let's try and run it. Okay, so first line is printed as simple. Okay, and second 200 is the maximum speed is 200. So like this it will work. Now they have explained that, I will read it. We created a custom main class with the class keyword. Class is a keyword. Okay, where we have written this, say class, and main is a class name. We created full throttle and speed method in main class. Okay, we have created, you have seen. So this method and this method is talking about we have created. And the full throttle and the method will print out some text when it is called. So it will print ln line is giving the first this and then this to print. So it will print when we will call that method. Speed method exit in int parameter that we have given 200. Okay, in order to use main method we have to need to create an object. कोई public are there, so we will create object and then we will call. Go to main method, you will find a built-in Java method to run that code main which we have given. Okay, so by using new keyword we have created the object of my car. Now we can call full throat and speed method, run the method by its name and use dot to call the methods. Okay, so like this they have explained each and everything. Now using multiple classes. Okay, so there are two classes, main and second. Main and second, here we have full throat and speed, and here what we have, main method we have creating the object and then we are calling it. The main dot java, second dot java means compiling. Java C is there for compiling, Java is there to run. Okay, so output will here. So like this we can use our class method of Java. Okay, if you have any question please comment. Please do subscribe my channel and like my video and share if needed. Thank you. Bye bye.